Oh, shit. Oh.
When officers tried arresting kids from this neighborhood, they had no idea they'd have to take hits from a massive angry crowd that would go to any lengths to stop it from happening.
Shit, the whole neighborhood out.
And it all began when dispatch received a 911 call about a fight at a nearby park, where a bunch of teenagers had brought guns and things could go wrong very fast if they weren't stopped.
Uh-oh. Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Whole Police Neighborhood Fights Cops When Teens Get Arrested by Police Insider.
Who got the gun?
Clearing out.
Who got the gun?
There's a lot of younger kids.
Nobody got a gun?
There's adults here that are helping manage it. Copy that.
Armed teenager inside. Uh-oh. Bingo, we got action.
2-5 dispatch. I got individuals hanging out the window. Black Mitsubishi heading eastbound on 45th and Lloyd. The male driver is wearing all black.
Uh-oh. Y'all dumb as hell. Hang out the window with the cop right there.
Tell location again.
Oh.
2-5, could you give this information on channel 8?
2-5, he's taking off on me. Southbound 40th.
40 is from Lloyd.
40th. Coming in pursuit. Southbound 40th at Roberts.
Oh. They go back right now. Uh-oh.
2-5 dispatch, southbound 40th, just past Galena. It's gonna be
Y'all won't believe how this shit play out. It's finna be crazy.
black Mitsubishi Andover. Now going eastbound on 40th and Cherry. Speeds approximately 26 miles an hour. Road conditions dry, traffic is light. Northbound 39th. Second squad behind me, call it out.
Reason for the pursuit.
Possible subject matching description will be the individual with the
Damn,
firearm.
they know that neighborhood real good. Ooh, I almost hit a car.
Northbound 38, approaching Roberts.
Uh-oh.
Speeds 28 miles an hour. Road conditions dry, traffic is light.
Wasn't they just on Roberts?
Does that give you permission to stay?
What's in that righty?
Back northbound 40th from Roberts.
Look like a nice neighborhood.
36 miles an hour. Road conditions dry, traffic is light.
Chris, what's the reason for the pursuit? What do they want it for?
Suspect driver matching the suspect of individual with firearm. We have MPD here.
Ooh.
Hey, I'll be broadcast from secondary.
She whipping that like it's GTA.
Hey, 847, I'll be broadcasting here. Hey, come
Hey, now this is the part y'all need to watch because this is where it starts to get really, really juicy.
do a stop.
Get out the car! Somebody is! Somebody is!
He just ran off.
Get out the car! Get on the ground!
How the fuck she get out of
My
there?
partner's in full pursuit. I have the drivers running.
Oh my God.
Officer number 2.
Everybody get on the ground! Get on the ground!
We don't have nothing.
38th and Walnut. Stop!
The dude that had something gone.
Please!
We don't have
Hey, right there, right there! MPD, right there!
That cop is not catching him.
On the ground! Hands behind your back!
Oh my God.
They got the driver on the ground. MPD's.
No. I see.
Everybody get on the
She
ground!
she by herself with that crazy shit.
Just the driver back here. Why don't you go?
So just
We'll bring him over.
nobody else out?
Not that I know of right now. That was the only one I saw, Bill.
While officers try to calm down the situation, this particular teenager made sure everybody in the area came out of their houses and began interfering with the arrest.
That one in the black, she's the one that's finna start the biggest commotion that we have ever seen on a body count.
On the ground!
It's gonna be crazy, y'all.
I need more squads. We have 3 individuals.
Can you believe that's a woman acting like that, the little girl?
Cooperating.
She like, no, no.
Get on the ground. Everybody get back. Get back. Get back.
Uh-oh. Neighborhood coming out.
Hey, come on. No, they ain't even doing you need to back up, bro. Back up, bro. Back up, bro. Back up, bro. Everybody get back. Everybody get back. Get back.
Look, all she's gonna do is rowdy everybody up even more.
2-5. We have about 5 vehicles here. About 30 people. All right, let's go first. Everybody get back. Everybody get back. Get back. Everybody get back. Get back. I need you to get back now. I need you to get back now. I need you to back up.
Why they gotta back up if they tell you that's their kid? Like they trying to slow shit down before it get bad.
Back up.
What y'all think was wrong in that situation? The cop being an a-hole or trying to preserve the scene, or the parents trying to get their kid to calm down?
Everybody back up, man. Everybody back up.
Uh-oh.
Back up. Back up. Put your hands behind your back.
You was just doing all that yelling and screaming. Now you talking about some be gentle. You gotta pick which one you gonna be.
Back up. Everybody back up.
Why he put that in her face?
Get her back. Get her back.
I don't think they needed to be pushing on them women. I ain't gonna lie to you. They'd have to push on the women. What you guys think?
Stay down. Stay down.
Uh-oh.
Hands behind your back. Roll over, yeah.
It's always the one that gotta be super aggressive.
At that moment, the entire neighborhood was outside, and in just a few minutes, a few of them would make the grave mistake of putting their hands on the officers.
We're not shooting anybody. Come here.
She need medicine. And where all them cops come from?
Car. Sit down.
Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! Oh, yeah, she going to jail. Oh, damn!
You're trying to stop resisting.
Is that the guy that they was chasing at the beginning of the video?
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Yeah, he wasn't getting away, not with no Crocs.
Back up.
Oh, what is going on? Was the cops on top of him?
Back up. Mom. Chris, come here.
Mom, I can't breathe.
Has he been searched?
I can't breathe.
He about to put a taser in his back when he said he can't breathe?
2-5 standby. We have multiple officers fighting with individuals.
Y'all just check me.
We're gonna check you again.
Y'all just check me.
We're gonna keep checking you.
Uh-oh. This is gonna get ugly really fast. It's not even the best part yet.
I'm in all the way as far as I can go. God! You need to get back, man. Step on the corner, please. Just stay in the vehicle.
They ain't do that with him. How they did the women.
My feet too big for back here. I
gotta
can't
stay in there, man.
Can y'all move the seatbelt then,
Give me 1
please?
second.
I got sweat my. Can you wet my eyes? Something? I can't
Give me a
see.
second. What's your last name?
You better go like this. There's more drama? Uh-oh. Just when y'all thought it couldn't get any worse, it gets a lot worse. Oh.
Hey, get back.
Come on, you ain't had to do that old man like that, bro. Uh-oh.
Never was fighting, really. I got you. I got you. Hey, what you say? Relax. Relax. Spread your feet. What did he say? Spread your feet. You stupid. You push me. Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
He's going to jail because he mad.
Hey, you guys need to get back behind the tape.
Pretty much.
Everybody get back behind the tape. Get back behind the tape. Hey, hey, brother. I was talking to him. Hey. Y'all not the only ones out here. I was walking. Y'all was working against me. You got a squad?
Y'all look at y'all.
You can't be talking to these people, okay? Give me 1 second. Go this way.
That's some damn kids, probably.
Dude, y'all dumb. Y'all need to listen. If y'all want to listen to me, y'all want me behind here.
You under arrest. You push me. You push me. I can't even help calm down. You should have pushed me. That's my nephew. I just want to get him calm down.
Y'all is dumb.
Please, come on.
Y'all too pretty for this.
Come on.
I'm going. Stop touching me, boy.
You need to back up.
Don't get out by no mace.
Back up. Back up.
Go.
Grab her.
Okay,
Take her then. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
My job is under arrest. Your job is to be a police officer. That's what I'm doing. You ain't protecting nor serving. You see, he's out clutched under my arm like I had some. But I was talking to the black guy right here.
What he got a rifle out for, bro? Or is that a shotgun?
It was only after officers used pepper spray on multiple agitators that the situation came under control. Something that wasn't sitting well with the people there.
Y'all sat there and saw the lady trying to approach my sister and every damn thing. But y'all ain't stop that shit. Y'all fake as a... Bro, stop talking to me, bro.
Relax. It's over.
Stop talking to me, bro.
You thought it was over. Shit's just getting started.
Okay. I don't need to. She's
Is that a midget?
Office of Violence Prevention people.
No, that's a kid.
Yeah, she's not gonna do anything.
What's wrong with you, though? Ain't nobody saying shit to you. My bad for acting like this, bro.
It's all good. It's over, right?
Everybody act like y'all know how she works. When people jumping on people. Y'all coming popping up on shit. Y'all know shit. I got nephews and shit y'all just put in the back of the car and pepper spray. How the y'all sound?
You want to sit here?
Okay, here.
Well, being an uncle, you acting the fool don't make it no better, stupid.
There's a lot going on here. I apologize, okay? I'm gonna get that quota there blowing towards you.
I'm not going to jail, right?
Oh, you? Oh, you're going to jail. You going to jail for sure.
We're gonna figure out what happened in the park there, and then you didn't run.
18 was an injured officer at 38.
Are you injured at all?
No, my lip, that's it.
What happened to your lip?
Because I thought whoever that was pointing the gun, I thought he was going to start shooting. So when I got on the ground, I hit my lip, that's it.
Oh, do you want medical attention? I see a brace, that's probably why. I don't even think you're bleeding or anything. Okay, are you all right?
Yes. And I'm pressing whatever I got to. I want dude name.
Relax, calm down, try to talk
On God.
Hey, relax.
I'm cool, bro. I'm
Okay, what's hurting you?
My hands, my arm, my face, all that.
Like hurt to the point in the
Yes. I want everything.
Everything.
Hey, we're in the car. Where are you sitting? Where in the black SUV were you sitting?
I was sitting in the back, on the left side.
Back left side? Okay. How many people were in the car?
Huh?
How many people were in the car total?
That's snitching.
If not for nothing, y'all, we got to get up out of here.
Yeah, can we got to get you to move your car because we're right behind you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Oh, Mate's gonna get you right every time.
That's your brother? Okay.
Well, yeah, you might as well say he's like my brother.
Okay, not your blood brother, though.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to just give us his name?
D.
Is that his first name or last name?
That's his nickname. I don't know.
You don't know his real name?
No.
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you know how old he is?
I don't know. I ain't even gonna lie.
Okay,
I don't
that's
know
fine.
everything.
That's fine. I mean, we call
I
him
ain't even
obviously
really
and stuff, so.
ain't locked in, but I know. You know what I'm saying?
All right. How long have you?
She locked in all the way.
For like a year.
A year? Okay. Sounds good.
While Amina was handcuffed for pushing officers, she was later medically cleared and released on scene. And although officers couldn't find any weapons on the teenagers, the driver was charged with fleeing, operating without a valid license, failing to display a vehicle license plate, and violation of probation. On the other hand, all 3 female passengers were issued citations for disorderly conduct. There are no further reports on the driver's trial as of yet.
That boy was whipping now. He gonna make a great getaway driver.
But if found guilty, he could be sentenced to 3.5 years in jail or fines up to $10,000 for fleeing, 1 year in jail, and fines up to $2,500 for driving without a valid license, a $200 fine for failing to display a vehicle license plate, and revoked probation, resulting in serving the original sentence. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
That's crazy. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps my channel tremendously. But that's it, baby. Away. Out.